just for an intro today, foam rolling is a self-myofascial release technique. It works on muscles, tendons, connective tissues, and fascia. The way that it works is it stimulates the nervous system to help the muscles and tissues relax. So as you foam roll over these tissues have receptors that send signals to the spinal cord. They communicate and help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, or our rest and digest system, which then sends signals back down to help all these tissues relax. So you can find some benefits like increased range of motion, decreased tension, there may be some better blood flow to these areas, and it can even help with post-workout soreness. So I'll get just a little demonstration of foam rolling the major muscle groups in the legs. So we'll do calves, or the gastroc, hamstrings, glutes, IT band, and then the quads to finish up with. So you can get the foam roll right underneath the legs, put the calf that you want to foam roll on top of it, prop yourself up onto the arms. You can use a fist if you don't want to put your weight through your wrists. Lift up the body, and then you roll that entire length of the muscle. You can roll each muscle group about 60 seconds or so. If you find a spot that's really tender, you can hold on to that spot and kind of rock back and forth, or just hold some pressure there. You can also bring the other leg on top if you want to add some more pressure to it. So that is the gastroc. Let's bring the foam roller up a little bit. Now we can get the back of the leg or the hamstring. Same idea, rolling that entire length of the muscle there. And then we can come up even just a little bit further, sitting right on top of it. Now we get the glutes, so you can foam roll back and forth over any of those sore muscles, making sure to tilt just a little bit to the side because the glutes hit along the side and behind you. Then you can turn to your side and get your IT band, which is the top of the hip, down towards the knee. This leg's really good to stabilize in the front. Arms down on the ground, and then you roll side to side this way. And then to finish up with, you can flip on over to your stomach, and then the quads can be foam rolled in that position. So you get your body weight on top of it. Your hands can lower down under your forearms, and then you can roll forwards and backwards from the hips to the knees for the quads. So again, just about 60 seconds or so. It's nice sometimes too to stretch when you're done foam rolling, just to help keep the tissues nice and loose.